We are up at 5 a.m. here. Corey is up there in front of me. We're leaving our service advisor's house. We're leaving our friend's house in Enid, and now we're driving our 2 hours to Noble to Thunder Valley. I'm a bit sleepy. Made it through Tech Line. Now we're just idling down the track. I'm just full of adrenaline right now. This is awesome. Oh, we're leaning a bit. Okay, there we go. Waiting in the pit lines for getting onto the track, and it is hot as a warm engine. I'm sweating my giblets off. Hopefully this line moves soon. It might be a 1 pass, 2 pass day until our temperatures get a little bit colder. Well, in the heat of the moment, I forgot to hit the record button. First time going down a track and I didn't even record it. Frickin' idiot. Let's get our time slip here and see what we ran. Thank you. We ran a 15.8 at 86. It's pretty slow, a lot slower than I was expecting. Missed third gear. Damn it. Thank you. Well, we improved a little bit. A 15.2 at 92. It's hot as frick in here. I don't want to do another run. How's that for helmet hair? Oh, that's gonna work! Light 'em up! felt good about that one. I think we might have broken 14. We just got to remember our traction control for our burnouts. So we get some warmed up tires, maybe get a little bit better grip off the line, better, harder launch. Thank you. $14,727. Woo! Yeah, baby. Now we can compete. Woo! Day made. Talk about a learning experience. Woo! Oh man, I might not be able to sleep tonight now.
Oh crap, it took a video instead. Whoopsie.